Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Suma. Thank you so much for watching. So in today's video, we are going to talk about a brand called Requel, and I'm going to review all the three conditioners they have. Well, there are two conditioners, these two, and then they have this deep conditioner. So this is their latest launch and I'm very much excited to share my views on them. I'm going to review and also demo all the three so that you would know what suits your hair. And if you do not know about the brand Requel is this Indian brand, and this brand deals with toxic chemical free products. Like, the products do not contain drying alcohol, sulfates, silicones and parabens. And now when it comes to parabens, people like parabens, people do not like parabens, so it's up to you, it's your personal interest. But then I do not use products that contain paraben. And also Requel has both skincare and hair care products. It's not just hair care, but in this video we are going to particularly discuss about the conditioners they have. So let's begin. So firstly, I would like to start off with the oldest product I have used from their brand, and that is this Murumuru Damage Repair Conditioner. Repairs, nourishes and detangles. It is a silicone free one and for all hair types. So I knew about this conditioner through the curly girl community we have in India. There are people, we curly girls in India are always looking for new products that do not contain silicones and sulfates, because we are always looking for affordable budget options. And then this is one of those products that has come into the limelight. I was like, okay, let me try it. And then I tried this conditioner and I was a fan. And Murumuru butter is this amazingly hydrating butter. I have used that, I have used another product that contains Murumuru butter before, but then nothing from an Indian brand. So I was like, wow. And when I used this conditioner, I really liked how smooth it is. It has got a great slip. It has this great smooth feeling to it, and it kind of helps you detangle your hair, hydrates your hair and moisturizes your hair. So I use it as a conditioner itself, and this one retails for 350 rupees, which is pretty affordable. Like, it's very affordable and anyone can afford it, from starting from a college student to anyone. And this doesn't contain any kind of those toxic chemicals. It's suitable for all hair types, especially if you have curly wavy hair, and if you have dry hair and frizzy hair, this is the conditioner you should go for. It really helped me. There are many other people who have given great reviews about it. Maybe you can check them out as well, but this one is my favorite. I have completed one whole tube of it. This is my second one and I am really loving it. So you should definitely kind of look into it. But this is a moisturizing conditioner and not a protein based one, so just so that you know. So let's move on to the second one. So this one is this Requel Babassu Anti-Frizz and Smoothing Conditioner, and it is, again, all of these are silicone sulfate free. I'm not going to repeat it, but then this contains Babassu Anti-Frizz Smoothing Conditioner, so it contains Babassu oil. So now I have used a deep conditioner before that contains Babassu oil, but then I didn't really like the deep conditioner. I didn't feel it giving me any kind of deep conditioning effect. Then I have tried this. I have been trying this one for a few months now, and this one is not a conditioner for me, but then this one is a great conditioner for straight hair and wavy hair people. Because I have curly hair, I would use this one as a leave-in, because when you compare with the Murumuru one and this one, both of them have different slip factors, both of them have different hydrating factors, both of them have different levels of moisture. So this one has deep level of moisturization and this one doesn't. So I need something that moisturizes my hair very well, so I use it as a leave-in cream. I do not use it as a conditioner, and it works amazingly well as a leave-in. So it retails for 350 again. So if you are looking at a conditioner and leave-in in affordable ways, if you have my hair, then this is the one you should go for. I mean, there are not many cons to it. I wouldn't say get this, don't get that. It depends on your hair type. If you have curly hair like me, get the Murumuru one for conditioning. If you have straight hair, slightly wavy hair, then you can get this one to moisturize your hair, because different hair needs different levels of moisturization and hydration. I hope you're getting my whole point. But then I use it as a leave-in. I have used it and it has given me amazing results, so I definitely suggest you using it as a leave-in. Alright, so let's move on to the third and the last kind of one I have. So this one is the Requel Pea Protein and Ceramide Hair Mask. It gives deep nourishment, is silicone free, and is for all hair types. So this is the one. And now with this one, this is a protein based deep conditioner, and my hair loves protein. And to be honest, I really liked this deep conditioner as a perspective, because I am in India and India doesn't cater to curly hair, and it is very difficult for me to find deep conditioners that work very well at an affordable price from an Indian brand. And when there is such a situation, and when a brand comes up with a product like this that really helps me with that protein moisture balance, I think then it's 100% yes, I would definitely go ahead and buy this and try this. Because you know, we are so much used to buying international products or just compromising on ingredients, but then you need not compromise on these ingredients, because the ingredients are bomb. And also it really helped me with my curl pattern. So it needs protein to kind of help me with the curl pattern and stuff, and this contains protein. And no matter curly hair or straight hair, guys, like, we all need protein in our hair care products, because protein is very important to your hair health, for its strength, and that's how your hair is not going to be split so easily, and that's how your hair will not break in the middle easily, because it needs the protein to bond it very well. All right, that's the whole point of having protein in your hair care. So this one is a really nice pea protein deep conditioner. I really loved it, and it is not oily at all. It is not a oily deep conditioner. You just have to use it after shampoo. After shampooing, use the deep conditioner, let it sit for 20 minutes and rinse it off and dry out your hair. It doesn't leave your scalp or hair oily. It is a really nice hydrating, moisturizing protein deep conditioner, and I would highly recommend to everyone who would want to try deep conditioner at an affordable price. Again, it retails for 695 rupees, and Requel kind of has these offers always to try them. So this is my review on 3 of them. If you have curly hair, I would definitely recommend these 2 products. So these 2 would be a great combination. For a regular conditioner, you can go with the Murumuru one, and if you're looking for a deep conditioner, then this one is amazing. It has great protein moisture balance happening. But if you have wavy to straight hair, I would recommend these 2 things. For regular conditioning, you can go with the Babasu oil one, and for deep conditioner, you can go with this one. Also, I've posted the demos because I want them to be helpful for you to see how I'm applying the product. And this is my hair after applying the deep conditioner. So these are my latest results. So you need to try them for yourselves to see. And I hope this review is helpful for you to choose what conditioner suits you and what doesn't suit you as a conditioner. I shall see you in my next video. Until then, bye. Do not forget to subscribe, and also please comment below if you have ever tried Requel products and what you would like me to kind of review next from their brand. I would love to do that. And until next time, bye. I shall see you in my next video.